Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, your friend GM is here to share something more about English literature. Today I have choose the Victorian era. The topic for this video comprises 1837 to 1900s, chronology, history and literature of the periods. The Victorian era, 1837 to 1900, history, 1832 Reform Bill, 1837 Queen Victoria, 1844 Morse Telegraph, 1846 Repeal of Coal Laws, 1854 Crimean War, 1857 Indian Rebellions, 1861 to 65 American Civil War, 1867 Dominion of Canada established. Literature, 1825 Macaulay Essay on Milton, 1826 Mrs. Browning Early Poems, 1830 Tennyson Poems chiefly lyricals, 1833 to 34 Carlyle Sartre Resource, 1836 to 65 Dickens novels, 1837 Carlyle French Revolution, 1843 to 60 Ruskin's Modern Painter. History, 1870 Government School established, 1887 Queen Jubilee, 1901 Death of Queen Victoria. Literature, 1847 to 59 Thackeray's important novels, 1847 to 57 Charlotte Bronte novels, 1848 to 61 Macaulay History of England, 1853 Kingsley Hypatia and Mr. Gaskell's Cranford. Literature, 1858 to 76 George Eliot novels, 1859 to 88 Tennyson's Idol of the King, 1859 Darwin Origin of Species, 1864 Newman's Apologia, 1865 to 1888 Arnold Essay in Criticism. Literature, 1869 Black Mills, Lorna Doones, 1879 Marriage to the Egoist, 1883 Stevenson Treasure Island, 1892 Death of Tennyson. Thanks to watch the video. Please stay connected by subscribing, liking and sharing my videos on English literatures.